Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stalin and for today's video is related to color names in French. Les noms de couleurs en français. And our first word is, and the color is red, and in French we say rouge. For example, the apple is red. La pomme est rouge. La pomme est rouge. Pomme means apple. And our next color is yellow. In French we say jaune. Jaune. This flower is yellow. Cette fleur est jaune. Cette fleur est jaune. And the next color name is green. In French we say vert. Vert. And for example, grass is green. L'herbe est verte. So here you can see there's a difference. In the sentence, I write an E for vert. This happens when we have the feminine word. For example, the grass here is feminine, and for masculine we just only use vert without an E. So grass is green, l'herbe est verte. And our next color name is blue. In French we also say bleu. Bleu. For example, the sky is blue. Le ciel est bleu. Le ciel est bleu. And our next color name is black. In French we say noir. Noir. For example, this cat is black. Ce chat est noir. Ce chat est noir. For the word that I use, chat, that is for cat. In French, we say chat for cat. And our next word is white. In French, we say blanc. Blanc. For example, snow is white. La neige est blanche. La neige est blanche. As you can see in this word as well, at the end we have a different ending. This is only because la neige est feminine. And for the masculine words, we will just gonna use blanc. But for the feminine words, we're gonna use blanche. And our next color name is gray. In French, we say gris. Gris. For example, this elephant is gray. Cet éléphant est gris. Cet éléphant est gris. And our last color name is brown. In French, we say marron. Marron. For example, chocolate is brown. In French, we say le chocolat est marron. Le chocolat est marron. For chocolate, in French, we don't say chocolate, we say chocolat. The only difference between the writing is, in English we write E at the end, but in French we don't. We just write it as chocolat. Hope you guys like this video and you find it useful. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, share and like. And if you want to have a specific content related to French, speaking, writing, anything, or regarding English, you can just leave me a comment. And thank you so much. Au revoir. Merci beaucoup.